She wanted it to overflow.
Hi guys, it's Sister Kingdom Corner. Today we have Ambreen. I'm Evelyn, and today we have another fizzy one, but a cool holographic. It's holographic. Let me open it. Yeah, while she opens that, I'm going to tell you about this other slime that we made. It's in a video. It's the unicorn fizzy glue. It was really cool. And so clear. What? It's clear glass? Yeah. Another bottle. Now let's find the second one.
Nope, they're all dirty.
Oh, they are? Oh. We have two more. I just stuck my hand in that water. Why? Baking soda. Solution. Mix. Popsicle stick. It's my popsicle. More popsicles. Look, a spoon. It's glittery. No wonder they put no glitter in there. Look at it. Oh my gosh. Look. Hey! Glitter!
Wait, let me move all this out of the way because you don't need any of it. But we
Oh,
can.
wait, let me see. Yay! First, we have to do 10 milliliters. Spin his spoon. Can I put it back in?
Hang on. I do not believe she put enough in there.
Yeah. Okay. So now we had 1 spoonful of the fizzy mixture. I am so sorry. Oh my goodness, did y'all see that? Like,
I'm so sorry.
she went to grab it and it like bursted everywhere. It got on the instructions. Now the instructions are dirty. Now we add 40 mils of the solution, like usual. So you want to hold it over. No, hold it over and look at where the 40 is. And tell me when to stop. And you're almost there. Man, this is not chunkier than the other one. The other one was way smooth. At 40! Okay. At 40. See? Good. Now we have to add the baking soda. The baking soda. Yeah, just put a spoonful in there. That's way too much. That's a spoon. There we go. Yeah, now we add in the fizzy glue activator. Okay. Here, let me mix it. Let me start to mix. Come on. Pour. Oh. It's fizzy! Look at it. About 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, oh, it's still 2, 1, 1 1 2/4, 1 3/4, 1 1/4, 1 0 quarters, 1 million quarters. Come on. Yay! She wanted it to overflow, so I made it. Okay. There we go.
Because there's a bunch of glue at the bottom.
Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, it's like... Okay, time for me to mix. No! Does this look like the foaming soap that sometimes we get? It does. It does. Do y'all know what we're talking about? Comment on our Facebook page if you think it looks like the soap.
Yeah, if you think it looks like
What?
fizzy soap.
Yeah, the fizzy, the
Fluffy soap.
that's enough soap. That's enough activator for now.
That's way too much.
Oh, look! It's starting to form. It's so cool. I love slime. Let's mix it. Wow! Wow!
It turns so white when you...
That's so cool. I love the slime.
I
We
love
should get more of
glitter.
these fizzy gloops. Comment on our Facebook page.
Comment on our Facebook page if you want us to try to find
More
more
of these
fizzy
fizzy gloops.
in Walmart.
Aw.
And comment down on our Facebook page if you want to help us and watch us and have ultimate fun.
I'll get out all the glue and stuff.
And I'll just clean it mine. I'm cute. I'm so cute. I'm so cute. What's this? This is our thing from Clean Slime. Fizzy Gloop. Chris.
That's so awesome.
You mean this?
They combined.
You can have ultimate fun with this slime. It's so good too.
Oh goodness.
You can do this with it or do
Where
this.
is?
Oh, you can do this.
Where is the main editor at? I love this slime. It's so pretty and cool. I love it.
And also, it's really stretchy. It's really stretchy.
Yeah, it's so
Close
satisfying.
up. Close up.
And I'm also going to do a click test.
No, watch it fall. Hallelujah, hallelujah. And let's see.
Evelyn, let me see all the slime, and then I'm gonna make. It'll make a really good click. Let's see.
No, I want to try it.
No. Evelyn, watch. Listen.
This is our slime, but look. It stayed on the box.
Whoa. Okay, on a scale of 1 to 10, how would you rate the slime? I would rate it.
18.
I'd rate it. This is hard. Come on, 55. Thank
Okay,
you for
ready?
watching our Fizzy Gloops holographic slime video. Make sure you like and subscribe, and we'll see you all next time. And thanks for watching Central Kingdom Corner. Choose kindness. Love you. Bye.
Evelyn, out.
Love this slime.